Hello and hi to our YouTube channel Aptitude Math Learner. Guys, today I have brought a very interesting question, and the question today we are having is the ratio between the present ages of P and Q is 5:8. After 4 years, the ratio between their ages will be 2:3. What is Q's age at present? So here we have to find out the age of Q. So the first thing which we have to do, we take let the age of P and Q be, that is in the ratio that is 5:8. So we take 5x and 8x. So let h, so for the ages of P and Q we have just taken 5x and so this becomes, that is 5x upon 8x. So this is the age for P and Q. Now in the question you can see after 4 years the ratio between their ages will be 2:3. So after 4 here, so we just add 4 to their present ages. 4 here we have just added to both ages, and now the new ratio has become, that is 2:3. So if we solve out this, we get the age for Q. So here we are having Q's age is to find out. So for this we cross multiply both. So this becomes here cross multiplying for both, for this as well, and so this becomes 3. 5x plus 4 is equal to 2, and this portion goes upward, and this becomes 8x plus 4. I hope till here you have understood completely. Now 3 multiplied by 5, that is 15x plus 12. 3 multiplied by 4, that is 12, is equal to 2 multiplied by 8, that is 16x plus 8. Now this is x and this is x. So here that is, this is 12 and this 8 goes this side, becomes minus 8 is equal to 16x, and now this here becomes minus 15x. So this 15 has gone this side and become minus 15x. So here we get, that is 4. 12 minus 8, that is 4, is equal to x. So this is the value for x. So now we have just found out the value of x. So now we are able to find out the age for Q. So here, therefore, Q's age is now, that is in the ratio 8x, and this becomes, that is 8 multiply the value of x we have found out, that is 4. So this becomes, that is 8 multiplied by 4, that is 32 years. So this is the age for Q, and this is our answer. So thank you very much.